Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome. Make sure you hit that subscribe button. In today's video, we're going to be tackling the big task of reorganizing and a tiny bit of decluttering of my drawer of lipsticks, lip glosses, and lip liners and all of that jazz. It has become unmanageable. Like, it needs reorganizing. I need to declutter a little bit. I mean, who am I kidding? Like, I'm not going to be one of those, influencers who gets PR. So I'm not going to be the person who is getting so much free stuff that I can't handle it. Like, everything, I don't get free stuff. So it's all my stuff. So it's not going to be as easy to get rid of it, but I will get rid of some stuff. But it definitely needs organizing. It needs going through. It's a mess at this point. So yeah, let's go and sort it all out. So I have all of my lip products here in this one drawer, and it was once upon a time organized and now it's not. So I really need to organize it. So I'm thinking, instead of keeping everything in this one drawer at the bottom here, I'm going to move everything up to the two small drawers at the top, one for high-end and one for drugstore. And then I'm going to move the lashes that are in there into this drawer down here. So yeah, I think I'm just going to take everything out and spread it up here on the desk and start organizing everything into categories. And as I'm going, I think I'm just going to remove the stuff that I want to declutter. Alright, so here's my organisation so far, and I'm hoping it'll fit all in the drawers nicely, but you never bloody know. So in this container here we have drugstore lip glosses, then we have drugstore pencil-y, like not lip liners but like pencil lipsticks, and then in there is drugstore liquid lipsticks. I'm thinking of dividing it into two things because of how full it is, but I don't have that many containers and I don't know how it's going to look in the drawers yet, so that's just them so far. I've just kept the lip liners in this container, mixed high-end and drugstore, and just pulled out the ones I wanted to get rid of. And then this is high-end liquid lipsticks. This one here is drugstore bullet lipsticks. And then this one is high-end bullet lipsticks, but it's got the pencil-y sort of ones in it as well, just because I needed somewhere to put it and I didn't want to like have entire boxes just for such small amounts. And then in this one we have high-end lip glosses. Then in this one we have lip balms, but I've also included higher-end lip balms in the higher-end lip glosses, and it's just drugstore lip balms in here. And this is the container of crap I'm going to get rid of. So it's mostly drugstore stuff. There's a couple of higher end things in there, but yeah, it's mostly just Savvy and Models Prefer and Australis, like liquid lipsticks or pencil lips, like chubby pencils and stuff. Some Rimmel, like got a lip tint in here. I did a video on that one. But yeah, like Savvy lipsticks and Models Prefer chubby pencils and stuff. Just things that are always sitting in the back that I'm never actually reaching for or using. So best to just get rid of them so that way, you know, they're not hogging space. So yeah, now I've got to try and organize all this into those top two drawers there. So wish me luck on that one. Alright, so I think I've figured out how I'm going to do this. It's probably going to change a little bit, but this is what I've been able to come up with for now. So in the top drawer I have higher end stuff. So here I have the bullet lipsticks with like the pencil-y ones, but I've also pulled out any higher end lip liners that I had just because I couldn't fit that container in the drawers anywhere. Then next to it I have the higher end lip glosses and balms. Then behind it I have higher end liquid lipsticks. And then I have my drugstore lip balms just because I didn't have another room in the other drawer because I have more drugstore lip products. So they're just sitting in here as well. And then in the next drawer, we have my drugstore lip glosses, my drugstore bullet lipsticks, my drugstore liquid lipsticks, and then the lip liners are here in this box. And then I've got the chubbies kind of stacked in there. It was just the only way it was going to fit because the Alex 5 drawer system has bigger drawers than the Alex 9 drawer system, so I can only get 4 containers in these drawers, where the other ones I could get 5. So yeah, I had to do some more reorganizing. It's probably going to change, but this is how I've got it for now. So yeah, let me know your thoughts in the comments. I know it's not a perfect system, but it's the best I could come up with the limited resources I have. Like I don't have any of the acrylic lipstick holders and stuff. As much as I would like to buy them, they are expensive, and I get these Bella boxes anyway, so I may as well use them as dividers. I've done that for my entire makeup collection, so it kind of also like matches with everything else. So yeah, I know it's not a perfect system, but it's definitely helped spread things out just that little bit. Help me find where things are, and I'm getting rid of all of that stuff there as well. So yeah, I'm pretty proud of myself. I didn't think I'd get rid of much at all, but I got rid of a whole Bella box worth of stuff. So yeah, pretty proud of myself. So yeah, look at all this stuff going in the bin. So yeah guys, that was my little reorganization, a little bit of decluttering. Let me know in the comments what you guys thought. Did I do a good job? Should I have decluttered more? Yeah, give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye guys.